Hey there, my friend. Coach 𝐸 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about choosing an autoresponder in your business. This one tool can increase the profitability in your business if you really understand exactly how to choose the right autoresponder and how to use it in your business. So we're going to go over that today. And more specifically, I'm going to talk about how to choose the right autoresponder, specifically how to use the tool for your long-term business growth, how to make things easier to do in your business, and the things that you really need to look at when choosing a high quality autoresponder. So this is going to be a really quick video. Before I jump into it, if at any point you want to know the best tool that I recommend to build my email list and that I'm actually using, you can check that out beneath this video. Also, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash it. It costs you nothing, and let's get right into it. So what's an autoresponder? Okay, an autoresponder is basically a tool that helps you build your business from the comfort of your home by collecting leads for your business, and it follows up automatically by delivering preset emails to people who opt into your email list, and that essentially creates a database of emails, also known as a list. Okay, so that's what an autoresponder is. It's an awesome tool, a tool to help you build your business online. All right, so here's the things that you need to look for in an autoresponder. The first thing that you want to do is, before you even look at an autoresponder, you want to know what your goals and your objectives are. Like, what's your reason for having an email list? Ideally, your goal of having an autoresponder is to build an email list to support your marketing efforts online. Okay. The next thing that you want to look for in an autoresponder is the ability to create forms, such as capture pages and funnels. Okay. Now, there's some autoresponders where it's literally just the autoresponder, but it doesn't allow you to create custom pages, okay, and forms. So you definitely want to make sure that your autoresponder allows you to create forms, capture pages, and funnels. Okay. And funnels are what is going to help you increase your sales and things like that. So you want the ability to be able to do that. And that's going to take you from amateur to an experienced marketer when you understand how to do that. The next thing is you want the ability to create multiple lists, because here's the thing: the average person who owns an online business has different things that they want to promote. Okay, so you need to be able to create multiple lists within your autoresponder service. That will allow you to do things like create front end offers. Maybe you have a little $7 offer or $24 offer, whatever, right? You can create a front end offer. You can create a high ticket back end offer. You can create lead magnets, upsells, downsells, all types of things like that. But you can only do that when you have the ability to create multiple lists. Okay, so you want to make sure that your autoresponder service allows you to do just that. The next thing that you want is your autoresponder service needs to allow you to have the ability to send broadcasts. All right, what is that? The ability to fire off an email immediately at the click of a button, right? Push button emails to your email list as you're building it. Okay, so like, let's say you wanted your people on your list to know about something that was going on in your business, whether it be a promotion, a sale, whatever, opportunity. You could push a button and send off an email to that list as a broadcast. The next thing is you need to have control of your list. Okay, so if you have I'm going to talk about this at the end, but if your list does not allow you to have control over your list in terms of being able to import and export your list at any given point, then you don't have control of your list. And that's not the autoresponder service that you want. At any point, you should have the ability to take an existing list. Maybe you had an existing list you built somewhere else or some other time. You should be able to upload that list into your autoresponder service so you can communicate with those people. At any point, your autoresponder service should also allow you to download your list to your computer at any given point. And that's how you create ownership of your list, the ability to download your list at any point. Okay. The next thing that you want to look for is an autoresponder service that is mobile friendly. Okay, meaning that here's the thing: most people are always on their phones. They're on their phones, their iPads, any mobile device, right? So when they're looking at website and emails, they need to make sure that they can see your capture page, sales pages, funnels on their mobile devices. So if they cannot read your sales page on a mobile device, then it's potential business loss. So your autoresponder service must also be mobile friendly, things like that. The next thing is your autoresponder service needs to give you the ability to track. So for example, the service that I use, which is beneath this video, it allows us to create tiny URLs. We can see how many people clicked on that URL, what sources they came from, so on and so forth. We can see how many people are opening our emails at any given point. And that allows you to get better and be more effective at your email marketing. So for example, if you send out an email and you got a really high open rate, well, guess what? Send more of those emails, right? Because that's attention getting. So it allows you to be a better marketer by being able to target in and see, or track, what is happening in your email list. The other thing that it allows you to do is clean your list. So for example, if you're able to see that there's certain people that aren't opening your emails, well, guess what? You can clean them off of your list. Okay. So that allows you to keep your list clean. So you need the ability to track. All right. The next thing is the ability to expand. The reality is that there's a lot of autoresponder services out there that they charge you so much to have a huge list. Okay. So as your business, you might have a small list now, but then when your business expands, they're going to charge you a premium to be able to host that list. So the question is, how big can your list expand, right? Does your autoresponder service allow your list to expand as your business grows without necessarily charging you an expensive premium? So think big of where you're going to go. Make decisions when you're picking tools about where your business is going to go. Okay. So you definitely want to make sure that you have that thought of mind, am I going to be charged a premium to grow my list, or can I just grow my list? Okay. The next thing is you want to also, examine the cost of your business. So here's another thing. Is your autoresponder service going to also charge you to house multiple lists? Okay. And it kind of goes into what I talked about before. They're going to charge you an expensive premium, to have, thousands of subscribers, right? And does the autoresponder service have the features and the benefits that you truly need to grow your business? Okay. The next thing, and this is really important, I learned this lesson the hard way. You need to pick an autoresponder that works well with your niche and your industry and your offers. For example, there are several autoresponders out there that they do not like affiliate marketers. Well, if you're an affiliate marketer, then you need to be careful about what autoresponder service that you pick, because they can shut down your list at any point. They can deny you from uploading, importing your list from other sources and things like that. So you need to make sure you have an autoresponder that caters to your niche and is okay with your niche, right? Make sure it's friendly to your niche, whatever that is. Okay. And here's a caution that I want to give, okay? And that is, never rely on an in-house autoresponder. When I first came online, I was like, oh, okay, I'll just use, whatever company autoresponder they gave me. And you're losing, I'm telling you right now, you're losing the opportunity to build your list. And that list is your database of, customers, potential customers, right? So a lot of in-house business opportunities have their own built-in autoresponders. And if you're thinking like a business owner and not just, I always say that there's a big difference between someone who makes money online and someone who's a true business owner, entrepreneur, because the mindset is different, right? There's a hustle mindset versus a building an empire mindset, right? So when you have the mindset of being an entrepreneur, being a boss, building an empire, you are going to make sure you have the tools in your business to give you the leverage that gives you ownership over what you're building, so that you build smart and not hard. And then when you use in-house autoresponders, you're building, whoever owns that list, you're building their platform and their list, okay? Because guarantee you that that lead is on their list as well. So you're losing an opportunity to build your own list as well, to own your list from the very first subscriber. And you're also losing out by using an in-house autoresponder or a company autoresponder. You're losing the ability to download those leads and communicate with those leads at any given point. Okay, so you want to have access to your own autoresponder service that's not connected to a company from day one. If you are truly about building a business, it's one of the smallest investments that you can have as a online business owners that truly can increase your profitability. Okay, so my caution is that, I do want online entrepreneurs to understand that out of all the tools you can have in the world, an autoresponder is a necessary investment. It's the one non-negotiable tool that you must have to grow online, and it your email is the backbone of your business. Okay. So while you're doing all these marketing efforts, you're doing these things online, your email autoresponder service supports everything that you're doing, gives you leverage. It's supporting everything that you're doing online, and it allows you to communicate with your list that you are growing. Okay. Now, the service that I use is only $50 for you to get your own system, right? And it allows you to have access to Autoresponder. It allows you to build your email list. And here's one of the great things about this service. It's called the Conversion Pros, is that marketing training is included. There's a lot of people failing online because they simply don't understand how to market effectively. And the thing is, with this program, this autoresponder service, it allows you not only build your list, but it gives you the marketing training so you understand how to effectively get leads so that they're on your email list and you can grow your business. And the great thing is, whatever tools you add in your business, and this is why it's in my toolbox, is the tools that you have in your toolbox, you should be able to earn commissions on it. So it's an asset and not a liability. Okay. With the Conversion Pros, you earn 50% on referrals. There are no upsells and things like that. It's a flat fee. So the great thing is that when other people come into the system and they're like, wow, like $50 to get all of this, right? That's pretty great. They know that they don't have to keep going up like some other autoresponder services and paying all these extra fees just to get what they need in terms of training, autoresponder, etc. So you earn 50% referral. So for every person who comes in, you're going to get a $25 referral fee of $25. And this is residual. So, and the great thing is this program pays out every single Friday. So you literally can get paid to use a tool to build and grow your business, all right, and get paid off of referring others to the same exact tool so they can grow their business as well. All right, pretty cool. All right, so here's my last words. I hope that the tips that I provided in this short video, I hope that you will use them to pick an appropriate autoresponder and to understand what you need to look for in autoresponder. And just understand that the autoresponder as a tool is the backbone of your business. It can take you from start, newbie, amateur, to having a thriving online business and an empire. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.